Okay, let's have a look at this one then. Y equals x squared plus x plus 5. We know it's a U-shaped curve because the x squared term is positive. There's just one lot of. So let's put the one lot of in there. The same goes for the x. There's a one lot of that. So the number of x squareds is a. The number of x's is b. So they're both ones. And the constant term is c. So we can find out when we see the roots. When that equals 0, we get minus b. I'll just write down the formula, plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2 lots of a. Put the numbers in. B is 1, so it's minus 1, plus or minus the square root of 1 squared. Minus 4 times a is 1, c is 5. That's all under the square root, all divided by 2 lots of a, which is 1. So we've got minus 1 plus or minus something over 2, a square root of. Now let's work out this number. We've got 1 squared minus 20 is minus 19. And we can't square root a negative number, so there's no roots. No roots. Okay, so there's no points. So it's a U-shaped curve that doesn't even go as low as the x-axis with no roots. So we've got y equals x squared plus x plus 5. Let's complete the square then to see what it looks like here. Just do half of the x, and you can write x plus a half squared. Yeah? Now x plus a half squared will give you, when you expand that bracket, you'll get x squared. And then the middle terms will give you the x. But you'll have a half squared, and we want 5. So we need minus 5 minus a half squared, so that the total numbers add up to 5. So y is equal to that. So we can straight away see how the curve looks then with completing the square. X, y. Okay, this is always positive because it's squared. The least value y will have, so that would be at the bottom of the curve, happens when x is minus a half. So at minus a half, this will disappear to 0, and y will equal 5 minus a half squared, which is a quarter, which is 5 minus 0.25, which is 4.75. So we can put that value there, and that will be 4.75 if you tap it in the calculator. And we need to draw, because it's a U-shaped curve, a U-shaped quadratic. Label it. Y equals x squared plus x plus 5. There we go. That's it. That's the sketch of that quadratic, which has no roots. Good.